In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this letter portrait effect in Photoshop. So, let's get started. First of all, we are creating a new file in Photoshop. So, click on the New File button. Then, set the width and height of the file. I have set the width of the file to 1920 pixel and height to 1080 pixel. Set the resolution of the file to 72. Follow all other settings as shown in the video. Then click on Create. Press Ctrl or Command +0 to fit artboard into the screen. Select the Type tool. Choose Horizontal Type tool. Then click on the artboard to type the letter. Write the letter you want. You can choose any font that you want from here. I have chosen the Galano Grotesque Alt Chemi Bold font for this project. You can change the size of the letter as per your requirement. I have set the font size 1000. When you are happy with the font style and font size, and hit Enter. Select the Move tool. Click on the horizontal and vertical align option to place the letter in the center of the artboard. Now, we are importing the image that you want to place on the letter. So, go to the File menu. Click on the Place Embedded. Select the image and click on the Place button. That will open the image into Photoshop, and hit Enter. Now we are adjusting the image according to our letter A. Reduce the opacity of the image so that you can properly place image on the letter. Press Ctrl or Command +T to transform. Scale up according to your letter. To scale up proportionally, click on the corner of the transformation container. Drag outside to scale up and drag inside to scale down. Set the position of the image according to your requirement. When you are satisfied with scale and position of the image, then hit Enter. Now, increase the opacity to 100%. Go to the Select menu. Select Subject. You can use any selection method to select your object. Then click on the Layer Mask icon. That will remove the background from your image. Click on the letter A. Right-click on the text layer and choose Select Pixel. Click on the mask of the image. Now, select the Brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is white. Start painting on the letter A to reveal the image. Go to the Select menu. Select Inverse. Now make sure that the foreground color is black. Remove the unwanted area of the image. When we are painting with pure black color, it means it's hide the image as shown in video. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect the letter. Now we are applying the stroke and drop shadow to letter A. Double-click on the letter layer to open Layer Style panel. Apply the stroke. Follow all settings as shown in the video. Now, apply drop shadow. Follow all settings as shown in the video. Congratulations guys, we have successfully created own letter portrait. If you liked my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification on every new video on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.